Join a list of strings in Python and wrap each string in quotation marks. I've got. I want to have. What's the easiest way to do this with Python?
Update 2021 with F strings in Python 3. Original answer supports Python 2.6+.
You can try this.
You may also perform a single format call. Update, some benchmarking, performed on a 2009 MVP. So it seems that format is actually quite expensive. Update 2. Following Xcode's comment, adding a map to ensure that join will work. Python February 7, 2012.